So good afternoon. My name is Christian Reyes. I am the HR of this company. So tell me about it.
Good day, ma'am. I'm Amelito M. Tolentino II. So, I am a hardworking person so that I do everything that I need to do in order to fulfill my duties and responsibility as an employee. And also, I have a exceptional time management skills where I tend to create a checklist of the things that I need to do so that I can meet the deadline. And lastly, I can adapt to the situation quickly so that I can give and solve the problems if the problems arises in the company so that I can contribute more.
What can you contribute to our company?
So I believe that my experience and qualification fits the job description posted in the social media wherein your company is hiring. So I believe that I can contribute to the table by means of putting my talents and experience to the table so that we can achieve the company's goal.
So what are your expectations in terms of compensation benefits?
Well, I expect to have a competitive base salary. So I did my research about the job and responsibilities of the as an assistant. So I believe that it is also important to have a comprehensive benefits package so that it justifies my worth as an employee and my experience and qualifications to the job descriptions and responsibilities that I need to do as an employee.
So congratulations. Thank you for accepting our offer.
So as you can see po sa first scene na na-utilize po natin ang pag-attract ng mga talented applicants by utilizing social media. So nakita po natin na nag-post ang isang organization or isang company na hiring sila ng isang sales assistant. Then nakita po ito ni applicant and ayun po ang nakapag-attract sa kanya by giving better compensation and benefits. So in giving compensation and benefits, kailangan po nag-offer tayo ng competitive salary bukod po sa mga basic wage and basic salary plus magandang compensation and benefits.
Ayun, so Miss Annelane, grateful kami na maging part ka ng work na to. As you can see, si Miss Ilyut, matagal na siya sa company na to. Magsi 6 years na siya, marami siyang natanggap na benefits tulad ng paid vacation leave and sick leave, tsaka other incentives. So si Sir Amelito Tolentino, siya yung recent na employee natin na na-promote agad kasi magawa niya na siya dito. Tsaka dun sa pinakita niyang top performance.
So for the second scene, nakakapag-retain na po tayo ng mga talented employees. As you can see, marami na pong nagstay sa company kasi nag-offer sila ng better compensation and benefits. While the newly hired employee, regular na po siya dun sa company and maraming employee na nagstay sa company kasi bukod sa good environment, healthy environment, is meron silang mga compensation benefits na wala yung ibang company na sila lang yung nag-offer. So as a future HR, dapat nag-offer po tayo ng magagandang benefits, competitive salary, at yung mga unique benefits na makaka-help sa mga employee and applicants natin para ma-retain sila at maiwasan natin yung pag-leave or pag-resign ng ating mga employees sa company.
Good afternoon, everyone. So these are the top performing employees who will receive incentives. At first, we have the sales department. So we have our top 7, Miss Annelane Amistoso. To be followed our top 6, Miss Jamie Blancaflor. Of course, we have the marketing department to be followed by top number 5, so Miss Christine Trimucha. Next is we have top 4, Miss Sofia Hisuler. And last but not the least, we have the accounting department. Top 3, Mr. Marol Benetulo. And our top 2 who has a exceptional experience, our top 2, Miss Apple Elliott.
So here's our top 1 from sales department, Amelito Tolentino.
Thank you so much, and that concludes our giving of recognitions and incentives to the top performing employees.
And for the last scene, meron po tayong motivating employee. So as you can see, si HR manager po ay nagbibigay po siya ng mga awards para sa mga top performance employee. So nakikita po natin na meron silang matatanggap na incentives para sa kanilang great contribution sa company. So in that way po, pag nagbibigay po tayo ng mga incentives and benefits sa ating mga top performing employees, mas na-motivate po sila gawin yung best nila at na-motivate sila na magstay at maging hardworking para sa contribution nila sa company po nila.